In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect data from a landing page form in HubSpot. We're going to walk through the whole process, from logging in to adding a form on your landing page to making sure it's actually set up to collect the information you need. Follow along in your own HubSpot account if you can, so you can mirror each step as we go. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation where you'll see different areas like contacts, marketing, and content. Find the content section in the left toolbar. Hover over that content icon until the menu expands, and then click on landing pages. This will take you to a list of all your existing landing pages. Here you can either create a brand new landing page or choose an existing one where you want to add your form and collect data. If you're just getting started, it's usually easier to open an existing page so you can focus on the form setup. Once you're inside the landing page editor, pay attention to the left side of the screen. This is your main editing toolbar. Look for the section that shows the different elements or modules you can add to the page. You'll see things like text, images, buttons, and more. What you're looking for is the form module. If you have a search bar in this panel, type in form to find it quickly. When you see the form module, click and drag it onto the area of the landing page where you want your form to appear. This might be near the top of the page, under a headline, or wherever it makes the most sense in your layout. As soon as you drop the form module onto the page, its settings will appear on the left panel. This is where you customize how your form looks and behaves. Start by editing the form title so it clearly reflects what users are signing up for, like a newsletter, a demo, or a download. Then look for the drop-down field labeled form. Click this drop-down to select one of your existing forms, such as a lead capture form or any data collection form you've already created. If you don't have a form yet, you can click Create New Form. This will open HubSpot's Form Builder, where you can choose the fields you want, like name, email, company, or any other information you need. Once you've chosen or created your form, scroll down in the left panel and click Apply Changes. This step is important because it saves your form settings into the landing page. After that, review your page, make sure the form looks good, and publish or update the landing page when you're ready. And that's it. You've added a form to your HubSpot landing page so you can start collecting data from your visitors.